Risa Lopes, professionally known as Left Eye, was a member of the group TLC. She died in 2002 in a car accident while she was on vacation in Honduras. She died at the age of 30 years old. May she rest in peace. Condolences to her family, her friends, and all her fans. Her real name was Risa Nicole Lopes. She was professionally known as Left Eye. She was an American rapper and singer. She was a member of R&B woman group TLC alongside Tionne, T-Boz, Watkins and Rozonda Chilli Thomas. Besides rapping and singing background vocal of TLC recording, Lopes was the creative force behind the group, receiving more co-writing credits than the other members. She also designed some of their outfits and the stage for their FanMail Tour, and contributed to the group's image, album title, artworks, and music videos. Through her work with TLC, Lopes won 4 Grammy Awards. Lopes was born on 27th of May in 1971 in Philadelphia. During her brief solo career, Lopes scored 2 US top 10 singles with Nothing and You Know What's Up, as well as UK #1 single with Never Be the Same Again. The latter a collaboration with Melanisi, a British girl group Spice Girls. She also produced another girl group, Black, who scored the platinum album and 2 US top 10 hits. Lopes remained the only member of TLC to have released a solo album. On 25th of April in 2002, Lopes was killed in a car crash in Loma Jupia, Honduras, while volunteering at Children's Development Center. Lopes was spending a last control of her rental SUV. 4 other passengers were injured enough to require hospitalization. The documentary The Last Days of Left Eye was released and released on VH1 in May 2007. Besides her successful career in music, she also acted in movies such as House Party 3, released in 1994, Living Single, released in 1995, The Cat, released in 1998, Bombs Land, released in 2000, Cousin Sticker, released in 2001, The Last Days of Left Eye, released in 2007, Crazy Sexy Cool, released in 2013, Hopeless in Love, released in 2020, TLC Forever, released in 2023. If Left Eye was still alive today, she would be 53 years old. May she rest in peace. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Kindly like and subscribe. Have a nice day.